All right, let's unbox and set up the brand new smart e-bike from HIEHA. You're gonna start off by clipping all the zip ties, taking all the styrofoam packing out. We got the zip ties all off the handlebars, and this is gonna be the first step. You just take all these 4 screws out, and then they go right here. So you can just lay the handlebars over like this. It's gonna allow you to put this on a lot easier. All right, and you're not gonna fully tighten them down right at this point. You're just gonna get them on there where they have a couple of threads in, and then you can adjust them later to where you like it. Just get them started, that way they don't fall out. We got the handlebars somewhat on. Now at this part of the process, it's easiest to flip the bike over to put that front tire on. All right, so the bike's gonna come with this bar installed already in here. This is just to keep the forks from moving during transport. So you just remove this one and then simply toss it out of the way. All right, so here's our toolkit. Let's find the wrenches that are cord to these bolts right here. All right, remove this, throw it away. So here's our front tire, remove this. On the other side, remove this. Now these should just be hand tight, just like this. Take them off, both sides. Got the wheel on. You see how it has this claw on it? You wanna make sure that claw goes into that hole right there. So just like that. Repeat the same process on the other side. We're lined up right in the middle of the brakes there, so ready to go. We're about 90% there. We got it flipped around. Now all we have to do is get started on installing the front headlight. So your headlight is super simple. Just unscrew the screws and then you're gonna put them through here. There's only one loose wire back here. We're gonna connect our headlight. It does have directional arrows, so that way you know which way it's supposed to go in. All right, it's connected. For the front fender, we're gonna loosen this bolt here, and then there's one here on this side and one on the other side. All right, let's start with this first one. All that's left to do is spin on the pedals. Left spins counterclockwise, and then your right spins normal. Sheesh. Oops. Damn, that is cool. So now we can get on the bike and we can adjust the handlebars to where we want them. Feel like, let's see, right there feels pretty good. Let's go ahead and tighten all the way down. Remember we left these a little loose earlier? Now we're gonna tighten them all the way down. Let's go ahead and tighten down these. You don't have to go crazy on these. This is just holding your screen. So like I said, you don't have to go crazy on these. These are just for your display. So just get them a little bit. That way you can still adjust it a little with your hands. I think right there is good. An e-bike with front and rear dash cams. What kind of timeline are we even living? All that there is to do now is to go out and ride the thing. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. If you want to check it out, grab yourself one. I'll put that link right there below. Peace.